Majid, I didn't call you now. Majid, where have you been? Eh? I called you for about an hour ago, now you're coming. Come now, Majid. Eh?
John, what is your problem, self? Eh?
I have called you for more than an hour now. Eh? Now you are coming.
Allow me to walk this morning, fa. Eh? What's your problem, self?
See your customer.
I get better things to do.
This your leg no will put you for trouble one day. Majid, go walk. See your customer now. In they wait for you since. This your dog leg no will put you for trouble one day.
Every time you go to disturb person for this shop.
Get out of here.
Now why you? Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Very fine, sir.
Are you Majid?
Yes, sir. Majid, sir.
Okay, Majid. Good. I'm happy you are here. You know, somebody told me how good you are and how serious you take your job, Majid.
Thank you, sir.
Majid.
Yes, sir.
You help me fix this car.
Okay.
Anytime I drive the car, they come. Once they enter gallon, the thing will just go off.
They do chiki.
No. The light will just cease.
Okay. Make a check now.
Okay.
Open bonnet, sir.
Open it.
Okay, this is your car now. New car.
Yes, you know it's my favorite. I just love the car.
This car is a machine. Okay, sir. I'm coming. Okay. All right, sir. Okay. Okay.
I don't go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I they come, sir.
Okay.
I they come now.
Okay. I don't finish your work, sir.
Oh, thank you, Majid.
Make a test time.
Majid, you know I told you earlier, that car there is my favorite.
No problem, sir. If we do work like this, we do always test time.
Please, be careful, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You know, Majid, time is going.
Careful. Okay, Majid.
Hey, John.
You want test number?
Make a test the motor come back.
Okay. Well done, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
John, right?
Yes, sir.
You are welcome, John.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Hello? Majid, I'm waiting.
They don't carry her, go. They just attack me, they collect the motor.
I'm robber. My car.
The motor don't go.
No. Majid. I told you earlier that car is my right car. Bring my car back. They will snatch my car from you and your life will still be connecting.
No carry and go. Okay.
Majid, please bring back my car. Majid, bring back my car. His number is connecting.
They say they don't want my phone.
And this stupid boy is still talking there. He will bring back my car. Majid will bring back my car.
I don't die.
They snatched my car from him. And his line is still connecting. Your car? My car is with Majid and his... At the crazy, so he will bring back my car. At the sick or at the mad, he will bring back my car.
You bring your car.
You bring it back.
Oga?
Majid will bring back my car.
Yes.
Majid will bring back my car.
Oga, you dey go?
Yes, he will bring my car.
He will bring back your car. Majid. Huh?
Please, sir. It's my brother. You have to help him, please. Please, I beg in the name of anything you believe in, please. My brother cannot steal. He cannot steal.
Oga, na beg with the beg. Na beg.
Please, excuse me. Who are you guys begging for?
Majid, sir.
Majid?
Yes, he's my brother.
You guys could not to steal my car?
No.
Oga, my hand no deal. My hand no deal.
They took my car and left his own phone. Robbers took my car and left his phone for him.
He cannot steal.
You guys are criminal.
Oga, help him. Help
I'm
him.
so sorry.
I
You
cannot
guys can
steal.
go.
I know he cannot steal. Please.
Oga,
Go to the
Please,
station.
I
Like, go and
beg
meet
you.
the police. They know what to do.
Oga, Majid life don't remain one bow. If you leave Majid for police, Majid go die for there.
God,
Go!
please.
I said go!
Oga, please.
I said go! I the crazy zone.
No grace. I beg, no grace.
I said go!
Come.
Please, he's the only person I have left. Please.
Yeah, go.
Oga.
I said go
Please, I
now.
beg you.
Life. He don't
Oh,
oh,
God.
He go die for police hand though.
Yeah, Allah. Please, I beg you.
Okay.
Please, he's not a
I said
thief.
go.
He's not.
Okay, go meet the police. They know what to do.
No.
Oga, na the only brother where he get to.
I beg you.
They don't get papa, they don't get mama again. Oga, I beg.
It's the only thing I have left in this world.
Majid.
Oga.
How are you, Majid?
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, Majid?
Very fine, sir.
Hope you are okay now.
Yes, I thank God, sir. Alhamdulillah.
Majid, forgive me, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. You know, it's not really my fault. Little did I know that your friend who conspire against you, John.
Oga,
Please forgive me.
I'm not happy with you at all, Oga. That thing where you do, wallahi, I'm not happy with you, Oga.
I'm so sorry.
I carry your motor go test for road. Robbers attacked me and collected your motor. They don't even come and sit me down. Maybe even ask me. You will call police. They come arrest me. They come torment me, Oga. Oga, you don't try at all. I don't feel forgive you, Oga.
Please forgive me. I am sorry. I don't know, say now your friend set you up. Then carry my car. Then no collect your phone. I can say okay, maybe now you just go hide my car. I don't know, say now your own friend. Now he set you up.
You know, wait, if now your younger brother, you feel allow and pass through, wait till I pass through for the police hand. See what they do to my head, see my head, see what they do to me. Look at my back, look at what the police do.
Majid, you know, say me, I even like you. From the day one way I see you, I like you now. So they allow bad people there around you. Then go pour garri for your sansa. Then go stain you. Then go give you bad name. And then go put you for trouble. Majid, I'm so sorry. Forgive me, yeah?
So, Oga, na person where get person. Now they offend. I don't forgive you, Oga. Nothing dey this world. Forget say this place where they work today. I no get tomorrow. Me too. I fit get this motor. I forgive you, Oga.
But one thing you go do for me. At least one evening, you go come house. Then we go eat pounded yam together.
Oga. No problem, Oga. No problem.
And you now be small boys like this. At least anytime you want cruise, you will come carry on. I get them many for house. Anyone where you like. Carry on, drive a house.
Oga, no problem, no problem, Oga.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you, Oga.
Okay, take care of yourself. Okay?
No problem, Oga.
Now your car, anytime you want to use
problem,
it, you carry on, you use it.
Thank you, Oga.
Thank you.
I'll make I go back. Make I go
continue your work.
Oga, thank you.
Majid.
Oga.
Thank you.
Greet madam, Oga.
She go here.